Hey everyone, Robert Evans back with another Sony camera menu tip. So this is a tip that if you don't know about it, it can be frustrating. So I really hope this one helps. So this is the wireless flash on and off button. And so what am I talking about? So if you're using your A7 III, your A9, your A7R, whatever camera, and you have a wireless remote, so this goes with my Profoto B10 light, and it slides onto your hot shoe like this, and you're using a remote, it will not work unless you turn this button on. So let's go to the menu. And in the menu, it's in the very first menu, the camera screen 1 or the red menu, and it's in screen 11 of 14. So you see those at the top right. So let's get over there. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And at the bottom, almost to the bottom, it says wireless flash. And you need to turn that on or your wireless remote will not send a signal to the light or whatever light you're using if you use a remote, to whatever light you're using. So hopefully that really helps and it saves you. Tell your friends, because it can be one of those frustrating things that if you don't know about it, you think your camera doesn't work and you're frustrated, but it does. So hopefully that was helpful. I'm Robert Evans, host of The Pixel Show, and come back and see more tips and tricks for Sony menus.